Wondering how to book a holiday using the Tesco Club Card app? It's straightforward. First, download the Tesco Club Card app from the App Store for iPhones or Google Play for Android. Log in with your Tesco account, or create one if you don't have one, and link your club card to access rewards. Next, tap the travel icon in the app's menu to start your search for destinations, dates, and any specific preferences you have, like your budget or if you need family-friendly options. The app now has AI-powered suggestions to help you find the best trip. Once you've found your ideal holiday, you can select flights, hotels, or complete packages. You can also add extras like car hire or travel insurance. Here's where your club card points come in handy. Apply them for discounts on your booking. When you're ready, pay securely using your card, PayPal, or directly through your Tesco bank account if you have one. You'll receive instant confirmation with e-tickets and all your travel documents. Booking through the app is secure with end-to-end encryption and now supports Apple Pay and Google Pay for even faster checkout.